Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wyze Sense Hub for motion and contact sensors, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the Wyze Sense Hub for motion and contact sensors, begin by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone or tablet. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, look for the login option on the main screen. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password carefully. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. After entering your email and password, tap on the Login button. Wait for the app to connect to the Wyze servers. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate the Wyze Sense Hub in your list of devices. Tap on the hub to access its settings and features. From here, you can manage your motion and contact sensors. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your internet connection. You may also want to ensure that the Wyze server is operational. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the app or reaching out to Wyze customer support. Make sure your sensors are properly configured for optimal performance. Now you are ready to monitor your home using the Wyze Sense Hub. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from using your Wyze motion and contact sensors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.